Dong Thursday House by HIEN Architects in Dien Bien Ph, Vietnam. Dong Thursday House is located in Dien Bien City, a city in the mountainous province of northwest Vietnam with a relatively harsh climate, very cold in winter and hot in summer. The house is built with 3 floors on a 100 square meters plot of land. From ensuring necessary functions and creating communal spaces to enhance connectivity for a 3-generation family, to meet the privacy needs of each individual. Additionally, there is a need to address the heat resistance issue, as the majority of the vertical surface area of the house is exposed to the adverse effects of westward sunlight. To reduce the temperature of the entire structure and organize the layout, we create voids and plant green trees in areas exposed to sunlight. These buffering spaces contribute to cooling and create a landscape inside and outside the building. As a result of the solution, most spaces inside the house receive natural light and ventilation. Simplicity in color design and finishing materials is the idea we aim for. Most materials used for the project are reinforced concrete, volcanic stone cladding, ventilated bricks, glass, and especially green trees. The functions on the first floor include a front courtyard, a lobby, and a garage that serves as a buffering space to prevent dust and noise. Next is the living room connected to the kitchen and a bedroom for the elderly. Utilizing the rear courtyard and a full-length glass wall running along the entire house, we ensure maximum natural light and privacy for the users. It can be said that the second floor is the heart of the house, where the communal space between 2 bedrooms serves as a place for activities to connect family members. In addition to accommodating 2 bedrooms, the third floor is a space for ancestor worship and a laundry area. The second and third floors are connected by an open staircase, maximizing light from the skylight. The corridor windows in contact with the environment are designed with ventilated brick walls and green trees to reduce temperature and ensure ventilation inside the house. Creating a living space filled with light, greenery, and natural ventilation, we aim for the people living there to maintain their well-being.